So here's IHSS EVV mobile app. So just like a quick overview, this app, it's app which helps you to do a check-in in the app, not via website. However, as you can see through the number of reviews, it's not that great yet. There are kind of bunch of bugs. But the idea is that you can just check in with this app for specific workers. So you know what you need to do if you download this app. So just the app looks super easy. You just start your workday with check-in. You need to log in and then you just have two buttons, check in or check out. So super simple interface. Then you just check out at the end of your workday. You select recipient, A or B, input hours worked, select location, home or community, and then check out. And then you will see your electronic timesheet, and then there you have it. You can also enable dark theme, and that's it. So that's basically the idea. You can see here is the app. You can just log in with your IHSS account. It's not possible to create an account in this app. Otherwise, you need to have an account already. That's basically that. But the thing is, this app has bunch of bugs. Like if you go to reviews, some timesheets don't work. Some people it says cannot find the recipient. There are a lot of bugs. People write and run a test. Authentication issues. Second day check-in doesn't show after I checkout. Fix the UI location. So you can see there are a lot of bugs in the first version. It wasn't properly tested. However, this app seems like a simple app. There are just like two buttons, but in the end, it just basically doesn't work. So yeah, probably you just need to either wait for the next update and then you can just use the website for check-in, check-out or something around that.